Okay guys, here unboxing my CSC City Slicker in the rain. Yeah, that red look nice. Nice candy red, nice china red. Okay, it's raining. I got this sucker under my car shed. And let's look at the watts. Got the charger plugged in. It was at 60% delivered. Look at that. Yeah, nice. Nice motorcycle. So the charger's using 450 watts approximately, which is not bad. So you could charge this with a 600 watt solar system. Alright. Well, we'll let that go and see how long it takes. Everything came in great shape, except I cannot get the parking brake to come on. This is the parking button down here. And, oh, there's the charger. 65%. And she got wet on her first day, and I'm not going to ever ride her in the rain, so. Then you got some mud on there for you. Look at that. 4x4, this bad boy. It's a dirt bike. Put some knobbies on there. Alright, guys. Guys, check out the manual. It's in Spanish. Orale. Orale ese. It's in Spanish. Good time in San Antonio. I might know some of it. But you know what? I tried to read it. I cannot find in here, there's no English, where to turn the parking brake on. My goodness. There's a good amount of room in there. Got some rear view mirrors, packing slip, and I have the charger and cable in there. Not bad. Not bad. I like the paint color. Alright.